Listen, I'm about to be super transparent with this conversation I'm gonna have with y'all. Going vegan, I went vegan for 14 months, right? I noticed that it made me very weak in the gym, right? So let me preface the reason why I went plant-based. So I've been doing a lot of research on, just health and wellness and what's the best nutrition in order for, to sustain your longevity, right? And I came across plant-based, veganism. And when I first transitioned, it went really well for me. The number one thing that it really helped me with was with my period cramps. I noticed that eating plant-based really helped my cramps. However, going through my journey in the gym, it had me weak, man. So one day, and I'm gonna post a clip right here, I went to go squat, right, on a regular leg day. When I failed 205, that's when I told myself, okay, Jazz, we need to make some changes, because I'm noticing my overall performance in the gym was lacking, right? I wasn't getting any stronger. I was just, stalling, right? And another reason I found out, your plant-based protein sources, although they do have protein, they're carb-based. So I'm doing research. I'm looking at chickpeas, lentils, beans. Yeah, a serving will probably have 7-8 grams of protein. However, it'll have 14-15 grams of carbs. So it's like, okay, I'm heavy carb loaded. I feel light in the gym, and where I'm at in my fitness journey right now, I am trying to put on as much muscle as I can. I am trying to perform the best I can right now. Not saying that I'm never gonna go back to veganism, because it did me some good. I'm not gonna lie to you. However, I'm at that point in my life where I am seeking to just challenge myself. I want to see how much or how far I can go as far as my physique. You know what I'm saying? And another thing I noticed, my gas, the amount of gas that I had, what? Listen, I cannot be a massage therapist. I cannot be a personal trainer, and I'm having this unbearable gas. That don't mix. You know what I'm saying? So I'm like, I gotta do something. I have to switch some things around in my nutrition and my regimen in order for me to start, gaining, right? So that's when I went back to the drawing boards and I made the change. And once I made that change, I started skyrocketing, right? My first month back eating meat, I went on a bulk. And a bulk is when you are intentionally gaining weight. The goal for this bulk is to put on as much muscle as I can to increase my metabolism. Therefore, I can burn more calories at rest, right? Because I noticed, while in that cut for 5 years, I started my weight loss journey back in 2019. I've been in a phase of cutting, and my metabolism started to stall, right? Once I went on that bulk, my first month, I gained 14 pounds of lean muscle mass, and I know that that's unheard of. I'm gonna put my results right here, and I'm gonna also talk a little bit more about that in the next video. However, this video is talking about specifically the veganism and why I decided to start back eating meat. Now, I can say that I'm very mindful of dairy. I still don't do dairy as far as cheese. If you consider eggs as dairy, I do. I don't know are eggs dairy? I'm not sure. But as far as cheese and yogurt and things like that, I try to really stay away from that, because the gas that it gives me, But yeah, man, I just wanted to keep it transparent with y'all. I know that a lot of y'all are tapped into my page for the vegan content that I used to post. However, I'm not totally Xing that out, right? This is just a phase in my life. I'm literally my own experiment. You know what I'm saying? I'm my own experiment. As you can see, I definitely put on some muscle. You know what I'm saying? Your girl is definitely thicker right now. You know what I'm saying? But I'm definitely stronger in the gym. I remember my whole goal was to bang out 5 reps of 2 plates, 225. I'm doing that easy now. You know what I'm saying? So I'm raising the bar. The next goal is to do 3 plates, which is 315. And I recently hit that on the box squat. Now I'm trying to get that on the Astrograd squat, right? So y'all just stay tuned for that. I'm gonna also put out some more content as far as me in the gym, giving y'all some tips and tricks on, you know, just, you know, being the best you can physically. And I'm gonna also start giving y'all some more content on just spiritually, you know, tapping into yourself and, you know, just being the best that you can be in that realm. Everything health and wellness is what I am passionate about, man. So I'm just here to say, if you feel like you need to, you know, make a shift, or you feel like you need to go back to the drawing boards on some things, do it. Just because you're in a season in your life, that doesn't mean you have to stay there, right? If you feel like something is not serving you, and we're talking all aspects of your life. If you feel like a person, a relationship, you know, eating regimen, a workout regimen, if that thing or that person is not serving you anymore, you got to pivot. You have to pivot. You know what I'm saying? So that's what I did. And like I said, I'm going to show you my results. I feel amazing. I feel stronger. I feel like I'm actually getting somewhere in my journey now. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, once I failed 205, I said, nah, I got to make a change. I have to make a change. So if you have any questions along your journey, if you're seeking to lose fat, gain muscle, just become the better version of yourself, whether it be physically, mentally, spiritually, emotionally, tap in with me. I'm going to leave the link where you can tap in with me, book your call. I'm going to put it in the description, also in the top comment that will be pinned. All right. Listen, it's your girl Jazz Avantí, and I'm out. Love.